Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve sound of your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. Okay, so first of all, open this charging case of your buds to connect them to your Huawei AI Live application, then select your device from the list, and right now just scroll down to go for the sound quality. Right here I can recommend you to switch from the connection quality to the sound quality. Below we can find description of this option, and also after switching to the sound quality, go for the EQ effects. Right here I can recommend you to switch for the bass boost. In my opinion, it's the best setup of this equalizer. I test default, bass and treble, and this one for me sounds the best. After that, you will probably hear the difference in the sound, and there's also last thing that you can open the standard Bluetooth settings on your phone, click on the settings icon and find if you have this option HD audio LDAC. If you have this function turned on, just click on the switcher to enable this audio codec. And what is interesting that if you are right here on the noise control, it is not changing, it will still stay on this function, as you can see. But when you move from the sound quality to the connection quality, let me show you, this one will change from the LDAC to the AAC. So to get better quality, you just have to switch this one, and be sure that you also enable the audio HDAC codec in the settings of your phone. And basically that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.